Hello, everyone. My name is James Ross, and the reason that I'm taking this class is simply because of the word sex. Growing up, it was a very taboo thing. The word, to even hear it, it was no discussions around it. Nobody wanted to hear it in church, especially. Growing up in a church, I did grow up in a church. It's always been like this taboo thing that people did not discuss or explore. Um, and so I found the idea that I could learn more about human sexuality really interesting. Um, and one area in particular that I think um, interests me about human sexuality is the intimacy piece of it. Uh, I'm I'm definitely aware that intimacy does not necessarily mean sexual intercourse or sexual interactions. So I think it'll be interesting to really learn how much um, intimacy actually manifests in sexuality or sexual behavior. For instance, like recently I found this article about David Joyner, the guy that used to dress as Barney around when I was a kid. Barney, the big purple dinosaur. And he's like doing tantric massages. Um, and while he does engage in like sexual intercourse, he's also saying, as well as the other people that are working in this field, they say that it's more than just the actual sexual intercourse. Like through rubbing and um yeah, massages with like I believe it's oils and everything, and there's actually like a whole process where they rub you down, and it's supposed to be like really um relieving of like stress and tension and everything like that. So I think that stuff like that is interesting. Also just really discussing. It's a lot going on with like genders and identities and everything like that. Just being able to talk to kids like now. In my own experience, I've experienced workers that have lost it over working with a 11-year-old boy that got caught masturbating and watching pornography. And they're kind of trying to throw him into a category of a sexual deviant. And I was kind of under the impression that, listen, he's hitting puberty. It's common, especially with the internet. He has easier access to it. So it's just interesting to find out different perspectives from my classmates and the professor. So I'm actually really excited, and I look forward to working with everyone. Thank you.